If you're going to get into the industry, you better know how to clean, everything about cleaning, chemicals, equipment, supplies, how to train, how to hire.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
What would you say, like, do you think it's smart for new cleaning company owners when they first year to go and hire subcontractors, or should they start off cleaning themselves? What's your take on that?
So I think you know my take, but if you're going to get into the industry, you better know how to clean, everything about cleaning, chemicals, equipment, supplies, how to train, how to hire. You have to do everything yourself first. Yes, there's people out there that have said, hey, I started a cleaning company, but I've never cleaned. Good job. Good luck. You're not going to make it that far. I'm so honest when I say that, because when you start to get to a point, like, we started growing from 2 to 4 million, 4 to 8 million, 8 to 10 million. Everybody we hired, management, ops, 6-figure salaries, all go out and clean for 30 days. I don't care who you are. My CTO of my software company cleaned for 30 days, because you have to know what it is to clean. And not just clean, but you go to the front door, the key lock was changed. So what do? You go to the front door and you forgot the keys. You are in your supply closet and the supply closet's locked. You get to an account and the alarm is off. Like, scenarios of cleaning. Think about the environment your workers or you guys personally have been in. The more you know, the better, because then you can speak on it. And when you speak on it, the client or the employee hears that and feels that, and they're like, man, this person, they did it. They went through this. I respect the shit out of them. Like, I'm gonna go to battle for them, and I'm gonna work late hours, and I'm gonna, go above and beyond. You'll start to see employees go above and beyond because they see you in the thick of it with them. And I say that I stripped and waxed the floor 2 weeks ago. I love stripping and waxing floors. It's the best before and after effect you could get. But dude, you have to always be learning and always be involved.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.